Hey guys, we are back here for a different kind of video. I wanted to do a after the haul type of video where I'm putting away my stickers. This is like my little sticker box here. I'm just tilting it so you guys can see like all of the categories that I have and the dividers. So yeah, I kind of just want to put away my stickers with you. These are the ones I've recently hauled that have just been sitting here. So I think it's time to show you guys my little sticker container and some of the albums that I have to organize my stickers. So let's just jump right into it. Just so you guys have a better look-see of what this container is. This is from Five Below. You guys can see it's pretty deep and it just holds my stickers perfectly. I do have these dividers from Amazon that are just all different colors, and I just used like little sticker labels to create custom labels here. So yeah, they're pretty basic. They're just the categories that I use the most in my planners. So a quick overview, the front here is all the like random scripts that I use often. So my boyfriend's name is Robbie or Rob, so I have a bunch of like with Robbie. One of my good friends, Natalie, I hang out with her a lot. A lot of icons and scripts that I use often, and there are also some just like random samplers in here, and then it goes into the actual categories back here. So we're just going to organize the stickers that I recently got. These are the icons and character stickers that I have. So here we have a lot of the fast food icons: burgers, chicken nuggets, delivery bags, fries, and sodas. So I'm taking all of the food ones and I'm going to put that into my food category, which is right here. So this houses all of my different food stickers. You guys can see I have so many. And yeah, I'm just going to throw these right in here because that's where they go. And then this soda cup one, I'm actually going to put under drinks. So we have all different types of drinks. We have coffees, lattes, wine, all of that. So the soda cups will fit perfectly in there. And then the only other, I think, icon character stickers that I have to put away are these right here. These are the Game of Thrones little characters, and I've used a bunch, as you can tell already, in my planner. So this I'm actually going to put under TV because it's a TV show and I figured it's a good spot to put TV. And in here I have, like, you know, this is like a little Wednesday character for when the show comes back, TV icons, just a bunch of random things, but these characters will fit perfectly under my TV category. So there's that. Okay, and then we have just these like samplers, and this was the grab bag sampler that I've got, and all of these are just random and they kind of have a bunch of things to them. There's scripts, there's icons, there's glitter headers. So I actually just take the freebies. I'm gonna actually keep them. Should I keep them in the cello? Yeah, I'm just gonna keep them in the cello for now. And I am going to slide, whoops, these in just right here into my reusable sticker book. This is from Sadie Stickers, and this is just kind of where I take the stickers off from the samplers that I get from all different shops. So I have them categorized like cleaning, food, errands, health. Like, they're just, again, random stickers that don't have a home and they just go into this book. So when I have time, I will take the samplers off and organize them into the categories. If you guys want a video of me doing that, let me know. If not, I just do it on my free time because I think it's fun. But yeah, that's how I keep them organized, like all the samplers, because sometimes I need a random sticker, so I come into this book and try to use up these stickers here. But yeah, this is from Sadie Stickers. Okay, next I have these washi strips that I picked up from Temp Loves Crafts, and they go to particular kits that I already have in my collection. So I pulled out the kits here. I haven't found a home for these, so that's why they're kind of just in a pile, but I can add the washi to the correct kit. So hopefully I picked up washi for all of them. I'm not sure. I feel like I might be missing some. Of course I'm missing some. But let's just try to find these kits to put them in together. So we have Ocean Front, which I think was right here. So this goes with this kit right here. So I'm just going to slide this in the back with all of the other extras. Okay, and then we have Hot Sands, perfect. So that goes with this, and slide that in. Cherry Berry, I know that's in here somewhere. Here it is. Yeah, Cherry Berry. I've used this art before, and I really like it. So I figured it wouldn't hurt to have this kit again. And yeah, it's super cute. And then Cozy Coffee. I don't know if I got that one. I might have to go back and order more when she opens up her shop. I don't know, we'll see. So we don't have that one. Fall Time, we don't have. Relax, we have that one. So there's that. So we'll slide this in. We do have Winter Time, which is right here. Winter Time. Okay, we have, oh, Peeps I already used. I used this kit for my Easter kit, I think, spread. Okay, yes, so this is one of my April kits. This was the week of Easter, and I left a spot open for the bottom washi, so we can actually maybe look at that right now. So I could either do the yellow or the blue. There's already yellow in this, so I'm thinking about doing the blue. What do you guys think? Blue or yellow? I'm not sure. But I'm going to put that in right there, and I will probably stick that on off camera. But that is the Peeps kit, if you guys were curious. And then we have Mother's Day, which so cute. I love the sprinkles in this. So we're gonna add that to this. And then I don't know where my campfire kit is. I definitely have this kit. I just don't know where it is. It's not with my other Temp Loves Crafts kit. So we'll have to figure that out and organize that into its kit later. So I'll put that aside. And lastly, we have this huge chunk of foil, and this is how I store my foil right now. It is the most unpleasant, not appealing to the eye way to store foil, but this is all I really had. This is a photo album from the Dollar Tree, and I just put in 2 journaling cards in the front and the back, and then yeah, that's how I organize my foil. So I'm just going to organize these by color. So I'm gonna do silver, rose, gold, and hollow, because that is how I organize them in my book right here. And then I'm just gonna put them in. So let's just organize these again by foil color. Let's move that up. Hopefully this goes by fast. I don't know if I will speed it up or what, but oh, also I put hollow and sparkly hollow together because they're both hollow. Ooh, that is pretty. That's a champagne color. So we'll put that. I have also like a fun foil pile going. So I'll just put that in there. And yeah, I'm probably gonna speed this up because this might take a little bit. All right, you guys, everything is organized. Gold, rose, gold, silver, hollow is down here. We have fun foil, and then we have mixed metal over here. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of, oh, we have a few more. Sorry, I missed these. Those are just silver. So I'm just going to put these into the respective sleeves. Here, this is gonna be really fat. It's already chunky already, so it's gonna be really chunky after I put these in. But yeah, I kind of have them in like gold icons and scripts, and then I have like any kind of deco. And then I have boxes maybe? I don't know. And then like underlays. And then it goes into silver, same thing, deco, underlays, date numbers, scripts. I don't know. I'm just gonna throw them in here and just get them kind of organized. So let's do it. So this has gotten way too chunky already. Oh my goodness. And I kind of just put them in by foil section because I just don't feel like organizing them right now. So I literally just like slid the whole chunk in. Rose. I'm gonna have to put some of like the fun foil, like random fun foil. Like it's supposed to be in the back here, but these are all filled. Like these are my fun foil slots. And maybe I'll move this. Okay, hold on. Let me move this. This is the, oh no, I just ripped it. Y'all, these are from the Dollar Tree. So I knew they wouldn't last long, but yeah. Let me just put this fun foil in here. This ripped, but that's okay. And then the mixed metal. I don't know where to put the mixed metal. You know what? It's gold and silver, so I can put them in between the gold and silver, right? That kind of makes sense. Does that make sense to you guys? So here's gold, and then it goes into silver. So I'm gonna put this right in between. Yeah, I think that makes sense in my mind. So mixed metal, gold, silver is in between. Perfect. Look at that. Super chunky, but yeah, I need a better organization for my foil because this has grown really fast, but we'll get there one day. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of watching me organize my stickers. I had so much fun. If you guys, if you guys have any questions, leave me them down below. If you have any requests, leave them down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.